This store operates on a dropshipping system and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate over $15,000 in sales from this product, all without spending a single dollar on ads. The secret was creating content on TikTok, where the store link is placed in the bio, and daily content is made about these products. This product is sold for approximately $25, while its cost is around $4. This helped achieve a significant profit margin, with over 1,000 orders processed last month. Now, step by step, we will learn how to start in dropshipping. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I post winning products daily. The first step is to create an online store on Shopify. I will leave a registration link in the video description, through which you will get a free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will be $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. If you are planning to run ads on TikTok, there is a very exciting offer from TikTok right now. If you spend $100 on ads, you will receive an additional $100 in free credit that you can use again for TikTok ads. You will find the offer link in the video description. After registering on Shopify, we move to step 2, which is choosing the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop, and I will leave the Zendrop app link in the video description. Zendrop offers a free plan and provides thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will start by installing the app on the store. Then we will go to Shopify, click on Apps, and select Zendrop. From here, you can search for the product you want to source. For example, I want to start with this product, so I will click on it. Here I will find all the product details. Below, I will find the variants, which are the available colors and sizes of the product. Here I will find the product cost. Here I will find the shipping cost, which varies from one country to another. Here I will find the total cost. And here I will find the average shipping time. To import this product into the store, click on Add to My Products. Then click on My Products. You will find the product here. Click on Review and Publish. From here, you can edit all the product details before publishing it to the store, such as the product name, product description, variants, and selling price. You can adjust the selling price from here, and the net profit per piece will appear. Next, choose the images to publish on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store and then Confirm. This will publish the product to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product already listed on the store. Now, complete the design and settings of the online store, and connect a payment gateway so that customers can pay for the product. Once you start receiving orders, go to Zendrop under the Orders section. You will find the orders here. You can add funds equivalent to the product cost and then ship these orders to the customer with ease. With Zendrop's free plan, you can fulfill up to 25 orders. If you want to fulfill an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. Now you have 2 options. Start with paid ads on TikTok. Create a TikTok account and post daily content about the products you are working with. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Goodbye.